Bantman. As a Bantman person, we are one term seat.
And one term seat. I was Juma and a better on to us. And one term seat. You see, politics, you have personal issues in you. But what they officer or ukuta to me, who intimidating Crawford. No, Muhu, as or Muhu, be no more poor. Silently, no, they will vote you out. It is our show, Baswa. One day, what was after before we pay free number, the opportunity to catch on to me. The place is too divided. Among the executives in NPP.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm telling you.
And why do you say suspended just ahead of presidential premise?
Me say or more say, but minimum suspension because what? Me say I dream
yes, because I was told said as a gentleman, the party suspended him.
Me say, but minimum say cause what? But the main limiting any individualistic. I'm talking about the party. As a unit, you know, divided.
Divided over who?
Say,
because
let me tell you,
the former MP Ananko one the camp, the late Ochem also on baby, which Ochem even made that known to Asenso Ebrano Tiasie.
Some common now.
Yeah, Ochem told me personally. So boy me boy.
Okay.
Because Okache personally said, Onena Kasa said Uncle B.
No, he was just being careful.
Oh, okay.
I'm telling you. No, I'm telling you, you're just being careful.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Because that is.
Because when you are a businessman, always can he? Obi a businessman always can he? Now, or Baba catcher, who you Juma, I buy them out Juma first time. Say, oh, mechanic No, he was just being careful. Well, very strategic. I mean, that's last year. Now, Crawford frame me. Chief will be just over ban. I'm saying, no business, more fun too, baby.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Or a very smart guy, or a business guy. He made it himself as a private person. Or no, I don't think come careful because who carry us all no, I think he's a step ahead of you. That's how smart he was.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
We will love the jam. And Kokofu, I know probably it's whether he will come or not come. I'm yet to find out. But he has also indicated, say, be uncle. Then, all of a sudden, Ralph, lawyer, Agyapong, pam. The whole Bantama is now in commotion. Everybody will be a kind of tribute. What are we creating problem now? How are we creating problem?
Me creative problem. Are the investigation Bantama for some premier?
Oh, they
common premier ka Kromedi. Ka president. Oh man, now easy. Let me tell you something. Now he's doing something. No, I know me afro. So call if free jubilee, say free here, say free here. Yes, say kutabom. No, say. Police station but and I'm catch you be as a you yam from what remote. Me you want a kabulai. Or see you yam from what remote.
Okay.
Obia from Moncasa and so on it was. You do our grown for. Obia from what money trimunian de.
Really?
As a president Doba. To a tune who playing about.
No, but I ain't in our person.
Disunity now.
What is it?
I mean, disunity now. Bantama constituency NPP mono. Say ya numbia. Responsibility ya fabino I pay school fees assemble a frame ya general cabino ya tenase manesa you end up losing your stronghold Ghana
for how long are what Bantama
me and you Bantama yes let me show you Bantama
because that's the is the one crying now be
let me show I'm the Bantama story you me Bantama me tina Bantama call class 1 class 2 e kwasi na me call stage mentor me too free Bantama me kwatena Pankrono Estate. Okay. And me too Bantama the age of 12.
Okay.
Na me free Pankrono Estate ko America.
Okay.
Me free America by 2009.
Okay.
And I'm matching Bantama. Awo Bantama. Me manta phone pay for me Bantama for. You 2 residential address of up to now from 2009. Now a Bantama constituency one enemy. We me no mu na nyini we. Me no mu we me ni na nyini. Yeah, Bantama the different jam by.
I see.